Here are my top 3 Kool-Aid recipes I've made. First up, Koolaid Slushies.
Today we're making delicious homemade Kool-Aid Slushies. Start by putting 1.5 cups of cold water into a blender. Add 1 cup of sugar. Add 1 package of Kool-Aid, I'm using cherry. Add 3 to 4 cups of ice cubes.
It should look like this.
Now blend it up.
Oh, yes.
Fill your glasses. Now it's time for the taste test. Let's give it a shot. So good. You may have to stir it sometimes, but it's even better with a tiny spoon.
Next, Koolaid Ice Cream.
Today we're going to make Koolaid Ice Cream. Start with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whisk until it forms stiff peaks. And you know it's formed stiff peaks when you can hold it over your head and nothing comes out. Fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Now divide it into 4 different bowls.
Add 1 package of Kool-Aid to each container and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix well. And this is how it should look.
Now transfer them into individual freezer-safe dishes. Wrap with plastic wrap all the way down to the ice cream and freeze for 4 to 6 hours. After a few hours, remove them from the freezer.
Scoop out the ice cream and put it in the bowl.
And now for the taste test, let's try to get all the colors. Wow, this is delicious.
Then Koolaid Popcorn.
Today we're going to make Koolaid Popcorn. When your popcorn's done popping, set this aside and we'll work on the Kool-Aid topping. Start with a small pan, add 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cups of butter, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Cook this for about 3 minutes.
And just stir this. After about 3 minutes, you can see that it starts to foam up. Go ahead and turn off our heat.
Now stir in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, add in your package of Kool-Aid.
Mix it in.
Now add our Kool-Aid mixture to our popcorn and mix well. Pour your popcorn onto a lined baking sheet.
Spread it out on 1 thin layer.
Bake at 225 for 40 minutes total, stopping every 10 minutes to mix it. Now for the taste test, 1 blue. And 1 red. Delicious.
So tell me, which one was your favorite? Was it the slushies, the ice cream, or one of the flavors of the popcorn?